Today we're working on plane geometry 1.20, constructing an angle equal to a given angle. So I've got an angle here that's given me. I'm going to label this one as this vertex is O. And we go from A and we'll go B. Alright, so I want to make another angle exactly like this one without using a protractor to measure this angle and to duplicate it. I'm going to use a compass to do so. The first thing I'm going to do is, using my vertex as my center of my circle, I'm going to make an arc length that goes through line A and B. It's going to look something like this. Alright, and I'm going to label those as, we'll call this intersection is going to be C and this is going to be D. Alright, so I want to make this angle again. I'm going to use a straight edge to make a line long enough to do it. So I need to extend beyond from O to D. That one's plenty long enough. Alright, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to use that same measure that I had on this one. So from O to D, I'm going to measure it. There we go. And I'm just going to pick a spot, it doesn't matter where, and make my arc length. Alright, now from this point, and I will call this point E where it intersects, I want to do the same. I'm going to measure from C to D here. So I've got my measurement, and I'm going to make an intersecting line with E being the center of my circle. All right. I'm going to mark. Should have marked it a second ago, but I didn't, so I'll do it now. Mark my starting point here. So this is point P. And then I'm going to make my straight edge to create my angle. I'm going to take it from point P through my intersection. So that's how you recreate the angle that was given using your compass. All right, you have exercises 1.20, questions number 1 through 5. Again, it's hard to do on a dry erase board using a small compass. On your paper, it should be much easier to see what's happening there. All right, when we come back, we'll do 1.21.